Good evening. Tropical Cyclone Pam to our northwest remains the talking point as it moves slowly south today and strengthens. Good news is that the destructive eye region will very likely stay well to the west of Fiji and not directly affect land areas here, but our fellow Pacific Islanders in Vanuatu will experience more destructive winds as the eye passes just to the east of them during the next few days. Once again, Tropical Cyclone Pam dominates as it intensifies to the northwest. Currently a Category 3 cyclone with winds gusting to 190 kilometers per hour near the center, this cyclone will continue on its southward track for another 24 hours or so before gradually curving away to the southeast. Its closest point of approach to Fiji is likely to be late on Friday afternoon, at which time it will be about 700 kilometers to the west of Nadi. While winds are not expected to be particularly hazardous, there is a high risk of heavy rain and associated flooding. If you live in areas prone to flooding, you should consider your options now. Listen for advisory messages over coming days and follow the instructions of local authorities. The intense circulation surrounding the center of Tropical Cyclone Pam is clearly evident on the satellite image. Fortunately, the worst of these winds will stay over ocean waters well to our west as the cyclone moves south. Northerly winds will be strong and gusty with squalls to 65 or 75 kilometers per hour on Friday as Tropical Cyclone Pam moves past to the far west. Over the west, forecast with periods of rain, heavy at times, fresh and gusty northeast to northerly winds. Much the same up north, where rain will likely be heavy at times also, so keep an eye out if you live around creeks and streams where flash flooding is likely, gusty northerly winds. Overcast with periods of rain about the central and eastern divisions. Rain will be heavy at times about eastern Viti Levu tonight and early tomorrow. Fresh and gusty northerly winds. On coastal waters, moderate to fresh northeasterly winds, strong at times through the Somo Passage and over Bligh waters. Seas rising rough with increasing northeast swells. Mariners will need to use caution over coming days as winds and seas rise. If in doubt, don't go out. Tropical Cyclone Pam is going to dominate our weather for the rest of the week, so be prepared for rain to continue. Heavy at times, especially about the north and west. Local flash flooding is likely over coming days, and we may also see significant river flooding by the end of the week. More cyclone activity in our region is expected after Pam moves away, so stay alert and as always, keep up to date with all the latest weather information by following us on our webpage www.nadraki.com or on our Facebook page. From the NaDraki and My TV team, good evening.